Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, I'm at a loss a little bit. If you have been following these videos each night, well, then you know the work that I have been giving you has been telling you that as long as the squeeze remains bullish, as long as that histogram is rolling from lower left to upper right, well, then there are still bullish arguments to be made for this market. And then if we look at the previous major swing high against the swing low, just some really interesting projections where this week definitely did give us pause at the 1272 of 4,300. But, we peaked up above that level today. And of course, risk reward becomes drastically diminished as we get closer to these targets, right? Because if we're always allowing for the potential of falling back to the 21 EMA, you just start to see how there's so much more that it could fall rather than just the little bit that I have left up into these targets. But again, if you've been following these videos each night, you'll know that squeeze and the price action above the 21 EMA has led us to where we are now. I have no reason to doubt that will continue to be the case. We also want to remember into next week that we have the witching expiration. So, seeing prices 1 week from today right back at these values wouldn't be that surprising. If it's not 4,300, well, then watch for 4,350. Again, that's where I've got that upper extension. That would be the next kind of critical gamma strike area, and that could also have some pinning influence as we get into that witching expiration. So I hope you have found the reviews helpful, helped you stay on the right side of the market. We'll see what the futures look like Sunday night and then get a fresh game plan for the expiration. Y'all have a great weekend, and I will talk to you then. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.